Hello and greetings to everybody. My name is Amandeep Singh and I'm going to explain what event base is. My teammates are Amit Vishwakarma and we are Bhavik Boricha, and our mentor is Miss Indra Bhattacharya. First of all, I would like to thank everybody and Miss Indra Bhattacharya, without whom this wouldn't be possible. So EventBase is an Android application which serves colleges and schools. Now, whenever college and school has an event, the data of that event is not stored or is not managed structurally. So, to solve this problem, we have created this application named Event Base. We can manage the data of events, the images, and documents so that we can use it whenever we need the data for college brochure or college records or college magazines. So let us assume that we have an event named Illusion. So the data will be event name, year of the event, images, and documents. So our primary objective is data independency, which ensures that the changes done in any one module or even it is faculty or admin is not making any changes in the other one. Data flexibility, responsiveness of user interface in searching or getting the notifications when we add any events. The notification is sent to every user of this application. We have three modules in EventBase. Admin, which can manage faculty and students and add a faculty or student or delete a faculty or student. Faculty module, in which a faculty can manage the year of the event, category of the event, and the data of the event, the images and documents. They can upload and download the documents. In student module, student can only see the images and only download the images, and student registration, student can register themselves. Now let us see the working of this application. First of all, in the admin module, we can select the drop down from top right corner and we can select a year, add a year, delete a faculty or add a faculty, and same with the student. Next with the faculty. Now in faculty we can do the same thing and select the drop down menu from top right corner, select the events, select the photos and download it or delete it or upload it. If we can upload this photo is one, and it's successfully uploaded. We can upload the documents and it's going to be confidential and the students cannot see. We can add an event. We can delete the event and everybody will be notified that the event is deleted or added. Now in the student module we can log in and we can select years, we can select the event, select the images and download those images. In the student module we cannot manipulate the data, but we can download on the data only. Now coming to the student registration, we can register a student using our respective email IDs from our organization only, and it will be authenticated. So that's all about EventBase. Thank you very much.